Hello everyone, Mike Rempel from Excel Bytes with today's Excel Bytes tutorial. Today we're going to take a look at how to use the SUMPRODUCT function to get a count of items that have an exact match and using the OR function in addition to that. But before we jump into that, please take a minute to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit the bell icon so you will get a notice whenever I put out a new video. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. You can also find me at any of the social media sites you see here. So now let's check out today's topic. So here's our scenario. In column I have a list of names, Mike, Joe, or Nick, but the ones in blue are in uppercase, the ones in green are in lowercase. And then in column J, I have whether they are attending an event, yes, no, or maybe. And what I want to get a count of is Mike in uppercase and Nick in uppercase that are either yes or maybe. And here's our formula, and we're using SUMPRODUCT and the exact function. So let's see how this formula is structured. First, I want to know what items in column I match M4, which is Mike in all caps in uppercase. So I have to use the exact function. If I didn't, then it would pull Mike that's either in uppercase or in lowercase. Now with the exact function, if I highlight this and hit F9, you'll see it returns a series of trues and falses. So in order to convert those to ones and zeros, I need to multiply those trues and falses times 1. And if I include that when I highlight it and hit F9, you'll see I end up with a series of ones and zeros. Now, in addition to Mike, I also want Nick. And this is an OR function, so I'm using the plus in between the two scenarios, so that will give it an OR function. If I multiplied it, if I use the multiplication symbol, that's an AND condition, where a plus sign makes it an OR condition. So again, I have the exact function for M4, which is uppercase Mike, and the exact function looking for M5, which is uppercase Nick. Now, when I again highlight all those, hit F9, you'll see I end up with a series of ones and zeros. And where there's a 1, that would be an uppercase Mike or an uppercase Nick. Now, I'm going to multiply those times whether column J equals M6, which is yes, or M7, which is maybe. The reason I don't need to use the exact function here, because I don't care if it's uppercase, lowercase, proper case, etc. For example, this first item, uppercase Mike with yes, if I change this to just YES in lowercase, notice it doesn't affect the result of 5 items. Because again, I don't care whether those are uppercase, lowercase, or not. And just to prove this out, if I select this filter, get rid of the no's so I have just yes or maybe, and under person I get rid of Joe, you'll see that the uppercase ones, which are in blue, with yes or maybe, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that exactly matches the result I get for my SUMPRODUCT formula. And that's how you can accomplish this in Excel.